Hi guys, my name is Lily, I'm from Perth, Western Australia, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my very first video doing romance book reviews, and as a huge lover of the genre, I'm here to say that depending on what you like, from either a satisfying modern day romance or one with a bit of historical background, I can give you great recommendations. Also, just a warning to anyone who doesn't like books with mature content such as sex scenes or anything that's erotic, don't watch my reviews. They're a personal favourite and I'll be doing a lot of them. Nevertheless, I thank you all so much for even clicking on this video and giving me a chance to give you guys a fabulous recommendations. I really appreciate it. Also, subscribe to me and check out my blogs below. Thank you. Now, the first book I will be doing is Perfect Chemistry by Simone Elkeles. Perfect Chemistry is the first book to the 3-book Perfect Chemistry series, the second book being Rules of Attraction, and the third book being Chain Reaction. You may be familiar with Simone Elkeles' other works, such as Wild Cards, which is another great book that I absolutely adored, and her other series, How to Ruin, which I heard is an excellent series, and I actually got to read it and take it out from the library. Right, so this book is based on two complete opposite characters, Brittany Elias and Alex Fuentes. Brittany Elias is the girl who seems to have the perfect life with the rich parents, the perfect boyfriend Colin, who is a jock, and she is the captain of the cheerleader squad, so they're very like the cliche American high school couple, and she's within the very popular group, so like the right group of friends. Then there's Alex Fuentes, who was born to the wrong side of town, unfortunately, who has been born to a very poor family, but they all very much love each other very much. And he's a gang member, and you understand why he's a gang member when you read this, and he's an overconfident bad boy, and he really makes himself seem like a total and utter jerk. The book itself is set in Fairfield High, which is the high school that they both attend, and Brittany and Alex attend a chemistry class together, and one day they're actually set to be lab partners together to complete this certain project, and their project is hand warmers, just saying you guys now. And of course Alex gives Brittany a lot of crap because of it. Basically this story is about those two learning a lot about each other and getting closer and sparks flying, and then eventually in the end they learn that looks are deceiving. So the main theme of this book is don't judge a book by its cover. Like, the people really represent that, because Alex learned that even though Brittany makes her life seem as perfect as everything is, it's far from it. And then Brittany learns that, you know, even Alex is this rough, tough kind of guy who's like a total bad boy. Really, in truth, he's got a really soft, kind heart, and he just wants to protect his family. Anyway, my overall opinion is that this is actually one of my favourite mature books. It will definitely go in my top 50 places of favourite mature books. I love how the author made chapters dedicated to both their point of view, so I'll go from Brittany, Alex, so we can see what they're feeling and thinking about anything, and especially each other, as they both progress in the book and become a bit closer. It's a book I definitely couldn't put down, and definitely gave me a huge book hangover. And for anyone who doesn't know what a book hangover is, it's when you get sleep deprived because you have to finish a book in your night. And I'm sure a lot of y'all can relate to that. I enjoyed this book without any problems. Like, usually I'm kind of iffy with the writing style. This book I definitely enjoyed without problem, which makes it definitely into my top 50. And just telling you guys now that I'm going to be very honest in my reviews, and if I don't like something about a book, I will say I don't like something. I'm not going to be like some of those people and just say that it's amazing and the plot's amazing, that they don't remember much but they remember it being amazing. Not offending anyone, but I'm going to be quite real with this. And yeah, I'm definitely unable to wait for the House of Ruin series. I really want to read it because apparently it's really good. And I would just recommend this to people who like opposites coming together that you really didn't think would come together, because they're complete opposites, but then when you do, and then it kind of works out in the end, you're just like, yeah, I saw that coming. It's quite nice. So yes, in that case, I would definitely recommend you guys Perfect Chemistry by Simone Elkeles, and I love the cover. It's kind of very hot. And the little motto thing that there is 2 different worlds, 1 true love. So, you know, it's true love, people. And it's a very feel-good book, and a book that you want to finish in a night. Anyway, so that's going to be my first review and recommendation. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be posting weekly, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.